Hello everyone. Today we have another university without an application fees. The university name is Politecnico di Bari, which is in Bari city, and Bari city is in Puglia region in south side of Italy. So you have to understand what I want to explain you about the types of courses and when you can apply for these courses. So as you can see that this is course catalog, and we can check first for academic year 2026 and 2027. So degree programs means that the courses that are available for bachelor degree students, and this master is for like 1 year or 2 year master. For 2 year master, I will explain you later that when these courses will be available. So if we click here and go to courses, then if you are only looking for English third programs, then you have to choose English language and then click on apply. So in the architecture, there is one bachelor degree course available which is in architecture sciences for heritage, and similarly for in engineering discipline there is also one bachelor degree program available for bachelor degree in management engineering for innovation. Okay, so these two courses are available in English language, but there are many courses are available in Italian language. If you have a preference in Italian, then you can also apply in Italian taught programs as well. Okay, so next I want to tell you that as I told you that there are a few courses available in English for international students. So the deadline to apply for these courses is 25 June 2026 at 1 noon Italian time, and later I will show you the application process. You have to submit your application on SA3 platform, and for these programs you will also need your TOEIC eye test, otherwise you will not be able to participate in this application. Similarly, for the master degree courses, I want to explain to you that for master degree courses they normally open the admission in June and July. So as you can see, if I show you the call for previous year for 2025 and 2026, as you can see that the first intake was from July 20 to September 15, and then from 1st September to 15 October. So they will start late, but as soon as these programs are available for international students, then I will provide you an update. So we can also check the courses that are available for in master degree courses for international students. So in this year, because these courses are not active yet, so you will not see here in the 2026 and 2027. So you have to choose the course like 2025 and 2026, and then click on second level degree, because second level degree is the 2-year master degree program. So click here and go to courses, and then again choose the language English, click on apply. So as you can see that in engineering there are almost 6-7 programs are available. First is in automation and robotics engineering, then master degree in computer engineering, master degree in electronic engineering, a master degree in mechanical engineering, then master degree in telecommunication and internet technologies engineering, and last course is master of science degree in energy engineering. Then there are also one course in architecture department which is in master degree in design for cultural and productive context. So the purpose to tell you about these courses that if you are applying to other universities and unfortunately you are unable to secure your admission, then you can also keep this university as an option, because for this university admissions for master degree courses will be available at the start of summer or in the coming month. So let's move to the admission process for bachelor degree courses, because the admission for bachelor degree courses are available and you can apply until 25 June 2026. But remember that you have to provide TOEIC test if you want to apply in bachelor degree courses. So to apply in bachelor degree courses, you have to use SA3 platform. Okay, so to search SA3 platform, you can go on university homepage, and then here you can click on studenti futuri, future, that means future students, and then you have to check for SA3 platform. So here you will see this link, portale dagli studenti SA3. So we will arrive on the home page of SA3 platform. So you have to click here on the top right side on menu. So if you already have an account, then you can log in and if you do not have an account, then first you have to do registration. So click here on registrazione. Sorry, first you can change it in English language and then click on registration, then click on web registration, and here you have to enter your personal data like your, let's say, your first name. I am writing just as an example. Then choose your date of birth. So first choose year, then write the date, then gender, then country. So I am choosing randomly, but you have to write your correct data. Then the country of your residence, then your city name. Then this is Italian ID number or the text code. So if you click on forward, it will automatically generate it, and if it is not generated, then you can generate online. So as you can see that it is not generated, so you can simply write on Google generate codice fiscale online. So here you have to enter your personal data like your surname. Cognome is your surname and nome is your first name. Then gender is M is for male, and here you simply have to write your country, and in provincia simply write E if you are not Italian, and then the date of birth. So we choose the same date of birth as we written on the platform. We selected 2005, so click on calcula codice fiscale. So as you can see, it will be created. So copy this codice fiscale and paste here, and then click on forward. Okay, so here you have to provide your residence details. So first choose country, then write your city name, then zip code is not mandatory. Address, so simply write your street name, then street number. Then you have to enter the validity of this address, so you can choose randomly any date, it is not important. You can also write your date of birth. Then choose Y if your permanent address is same as your correspondence address, and if both addresses are different, you can choose N, and then you have to write your correspondence address. So then click on forward. So here you can choose permanent address as your delivery address, and then write your email ID, and here you have to write your international dialing code. So let's say for Pakistan is 92, and then write your mobile phone number, and here you simply can click on all these boxes, and after entering email ID as well, then click on forward. And here you have to choose your password by following all these rules. So enter your password twice, then click on forward, and here you will see all your data that you have entered. If you want to change anything, you can make changes by clicking on for each section on the pencil sign, and if everything is okay, then click on confirma. And here you will see your password and your username that you have to use. So save this data, and then you can use this data to log in on the platform. So after saving this data, click on the login and write your username and password and click on sign in. Okay, so we arrive here again on the home page of SA3 platform. So go again on to the menu, and then you have to go to registrar office in the second tab, and then you have to choose admission test. So click on iscrizione concorsi. So here you will see all the bachelor courses that are available. So if you are looking only for courses in English, so this is the course like the engineering course, bachelor degree in management engineering for innovation. So click on this course, Okay, so as you can see that the application fees is 0 and the number of positions are available are 50. So click on Prosegui. Then choose this circle. Then again click on Avanti. And then you have to choose your preference again. So the course that we selected previously was management engineering for engineering, so click here, then click again on Avanti. Okay, so if you need any assistance, if you have any disability, then you can choose C. Otherwise, if you do not need any assistance, then click on No. And here you will see that they have mentioned that you will need a TOEIC e-test. So again click on Avanti. Okay, so here you have to enter the information of your high school title. So click on Inserisci. So first choose whether your high school diploma was from foreign country or from Italian country. So choose Estero for a foreign country and also Istituto Estero. Then click on Procedi. Okay, so if you have already completed your diploma, then you can choose this first option. You can also choose English language. So for example, if I translate into English, then it will be that you have already completed your high school diploma, and if you have not completed yet, then you can choose second option. Then you have to choose the diploma, which is general certificate for secondary education, and then these are not mandatory, so you can also write here the title of your high school diploma and here the year of completion. So let's say we write 2025, and then you have to write your score. So let's say we write 82, then the country where you have obtained your high school diploma, and then click on Procedi. So as you can see now the status is green, it is completed. Then click on Procedi. So as you can see that it is that we have selected 3-year bachelor degree for year 2026, and the course is bachelor degree in management engineering for innovation, and we have not selected any disability. So if everything is okay, you can click on Completa Ammissione al Concorso, and if you want to change anything, you can go back in the throw. So if we click here on Completa Ammissione al Concorso, so you can see that your application has been completed. But remember, I can show you with the translation. So as you can see that they mentioned that the competition registration process has been successfully completed. So remember that you have to give this TOEIC test, otherwise your application will not be evaluated. So if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. I would also like to communicate that you can also book a session with me for different issues, like if you are facing issue during your application process, or if you want me to review your documents, or you are facing any issue during the payment, or you want to discuss different universities and means. So you can contact me for any of issue that you are facing during your admission process in Italy.